Hello, good evening, everybody, all gentlemen. Now I want to read the news from Thai Freedom, and now I coming read the news, the new headlines first. The new headline is number one. Soldiers have public works. Villagers have to worry about the trap bomb on the road. RCSS has a whole meeting met villagers. RCSS soldiers get anything from villagers. This is the news headlines. And now I will come to read a detail of the news. Number one is RCSS soldiers have public work. RCSS soldiers have public works such as clearing at a field to grow the corn and help them growing the corn. Also check for the health of villager and give some medicine to the patient. And number two, villagers have to worry about the trap bomb on the road. And the detail of the news. On the evening of 19th June, one villager came back from their farm and found the trap bomb at the bridge of the Namsam line. Then they had responded to the military men and Burmese army remove it. At 18:20 p.m., the military men and Burmese troops had removed the trap bomb, but no one knows who set that bomb. And there was some armed groups shooting their guns as frightening the evening at the certain site of Muse Township. Villagers were few afraid there will be fighting between the Burmese armies and ethnic army in the northern state. And number three, as a whole meeting met with villagers. The detail of the news. There were 224 people in the meeting of RCSS holding at the Stonewall Monastery, Mokmai Township, Southern State. In the meeting, the officer of RCSS has explained to all attendants villagers about the constitution, public administration of RCSS, local development, a national CFI agreement, class of clans media, a policy of RCSS education community. Villagers were asked some topics that did not understand clearly, and officers also replied to all the questions. Now number 4, RCSSSSAs get and adding from villager. The detail of the news. Getty people combining their own money bought food, staff for using the rainy season and aid to the soldier of RCSSSA. On 21 of June, people in Getty Township, certain Sunstake, had brought raincoat, noodle, oil, salt, and other posts sending to the soldier of RCSSSA, who are responsible for their duty in the local. Thank you for looking my video, and I want you to make sharing this video. Thank you.